Good morning, Chris Glazer, your boat captain realtor here in Southwest Florida. Today, we've got just a beautiful home that we're going to go through here. If you're looking to be on Fort Myers Beach and do it affordably, we've got the home right here for you. It's one of our new listings. We're doing an open house today at it, but we're going to do a video walkthrough on this from top to bottom. It's got a lot of features built into it. It's a stilt home, as well as it has an elevator. I mean, you just don't see elevators in homes with this particular price point. Storm protection, as well as you got basically a downstairs that is like a blank slate. So let's dive into our walkthrough on this beautiful home right here on Fort Myers Beach. First, I'm going to start with we're going to take the elevator up, and this is a feature that you just don't see on a lot of homes in this price point. I've seen them in multi-million-dollar houses before, but you've got you basically have a lift. So if you have somebody who needs handicap type access, or if you just want to have something where you got groceries, you went to Costco, you're going to have a big party. Well, it's never fun having to go up and down steps all the time. And check this out. We are literally taking the lift all the way up. You can see here on the back side, we've got the elevated AC unit. Pool equipment's over on that side. Here we are. We are almost to the top. And again, this is something that you just don't see on a lot of homes. Like I said, in this price point, we'll have a full description of the property in the description section here on YouTube. So hang on, we will get that over to you as soon as we can. So now that we've made it to the top, you can see we're at the deck towards the front of the house. And again, like I mentioned, this is a wraparound deck. You can see we've got the accordion shutters, as I was mentioning earlier. This has full storm protection on the upper level here. And then you can see the really nice pavers in the driveway. It's a corner lot. Really, really a beautiful home. So let's go ahead and make our way around. Now you can get in, if you would like, you can walk in through the two bedrooms on the back side of the house here. You've got a master on this side, and then you have the guest bedroom here on this side, but you can go through those doors if you would like, or you can walk all the way around to the front side of the house. And you can see we've got hurricane protection. And beautiful, I mean, just a beautiful corner lot. You can definitely see the landscaping here is nice. And when you get down to the front side, this is the front door. And if you look, right over there is Fort Myers Beach. So you could literally walk right across the street and you are right on the water. This home is in Laguna Shores, and Laguna Shores has several access points that you can walk through over to the beach, and they're just within steps of this particular home. So we'll go walk through, we'll walk all the way around, and you can see this is the back side of the deck. And you can see we've got hurricane protection back here as well. And then we've got our pool. So you can see pool is just brand new lanai, pool screen, nice pool deck. So from here, we are going to work our way to the front side of the house. So let's walk in the front door. Now, once you get in to the front here, this has real wood floors, beautiful floors. You very rarely see that much anymore, but these floors are just in fantastic condition. Again, like I was mentioning, this is a one-owner home. It's got the vaulted ceilings here, and then you also have, as you can see, sliders go right out to the pool area. up front. And then you've got your kitchen right here with bar stools. So whether you want to sit more for a formal meal or for, just a breakfast bar type setup, you've got that right here. And let's go towards the back side of the house. So as we go down the hallway, you can see the first door to the right is the laundry area, washer and dryer, as well as got a tub sink right there as well. Now this home is being sold totally furnished, so other than some personal items, this home will be sold with all the furnishings. Now as we continue to go down the hallway here, you'll see the first bedroom on the left-hand side is been converted into an office. So you've got definitely room for a third bedroom here if you would like, or in this case, it's being used as an office. This carpeting in here is really only about 4 years old, according to the seller, so it's new. And as you continue to go down the hall here, the first bathroom is right here on the left. You can see you got the stand-up shower. And once you get to the back side, you've got another guest bedroom here. And this one again goes right out to the front of the house where we came up the lift earlier. And again, got flat screen TV here on the wall, ceiling fans in all the bedrooms, as well as closets. So if you do decide to go out this door, this does have one of those retractable screens, which is really nice. I mean, you can just basically pop that open and that brings you right back out to the front of the house. And then back right over here to the left is our lift. So you can see, got a great view from up here. You can see the condos on the back bay. And in the front of the house, you can see the Gulf of Mexico. So pretty cool. Fantastic location. We're on the south end of the island. We'll go ahead and go over to the master bedroom. So we're going to head over to the master here. And the owner has got this darkened up in here just because this is her bedroom and she wants to keep it that way. So, but this would lighten up quite a bit. That does have another slider that goes out to the deck right there. Got the flat screen. And then in here is your master bathroom, and it's got a tub shower combo there. And then over on this side, we've got your sinks and walk-in closet. It's not a huge closet, but I've seen smaller, so we'll put that on. Sorry about that. So there is our closet. And once you get turned back around, we are going to make our way to the basement or down to the garage / pool area. So let's go ahead and make our way downstairs, right from the kitchen area down to the garage / entertainment area. The nice thing about this particular spot is we've got a ton of space, and it's kind of like wide open space where, if you wanted to, obviously you got enough room for cars, even a small boat, workshop. I mean, you've got this whole area here could even be converted into another room if you would like. This does have door access here. So if you wanted to convert this into a little studio for family, you could do that. And then as you can see, this takes you down to the pool area. And then we also have over here, this is a non-conforming bathroom, but we do have a bathroom downstairs here and kind of a little storage area right here, a little storage nook. So if you go from here, this will take us out to the pool area. And these are impact sliders. So you've got hurricane strength sliders down here. And then here is the pool area. So you could easily, you know, decorate this however you would like. If you wanted to put a nice flat screen up here on the wall, or, you know, you've got electrical that's run up in here as well. And, you know, you could put a little mini bar back here, or a little tiki if you would like. Again, very nice pool, brand new, screened in lanai. Fantastic, really a fantastic house. Again, as I was saying earlier, we've got a corner lot. So if you go out here, this will take you right back out to the street. And again, just over this road here is the Gulf. So you can go right out there and hang out on the beach if you would like to, or you could just hang out at your pool. So if this is your first time on our channel and you like this video, we try to get new videos out at least once a week on just Fort Myers, as well as Fort Myers Beach, Southwest Florida, Cape Coral. Again, my name's Chris Glazer. I'm a boat captain realtor. Been down here for over 18 years. So full-time agent. If you need help with anything real estate related, whether it's buying or selling it, or just would like to get some advice on anything real estate related, I'd be honored to help. So again, if you like this video, you can click the subscribe button. You'll get alerts when we put out new videos. Thanks again for watching. This is Captain Chris. We are checking out.